Hello, everybody. Welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. We a very quick one. I know today is Sunday. Yamobia happy Sunday. Wow, because sorry, I was all Sunday and me patchona oko no wako wako tuntum nyame kama. Also, always see your man was your kama. I think the yesterday no few of us no Medikal Fella 2020 no we have doubts like yeah, we have doubts like is it thing for real like me personally no I thought say be a music video no mucha yeah so from enra nyina Poleeno Multimedia am posti hwe because na ye gidi or wedding na e wo form kakra but what do we have to do to support to wish them well because Bible cry say our remu in share bebre until we be man now your ba now you young na say medi or the bebre and mpacha what you trust on na ya meton sama watimi aware quick one wedding as in your bebre na call so I think say your comments so allow me I share the we for wedding so we discuss about it we're discussing a review near I think say Krapin Polo ever can be and it was too emotional like for say a hype bank one or power catch you be say obinium into no fake faint and I say what faint or the wedding I say onion into a stress up na I'm gonna fainty and a hype like and you might be no back a kind a cheap alago that's would be Janano so yes and you may be a yenka because soon him grana say no crack grana yenka at this moment because ukrona na ukoda former fella makafi atutu ska bebree go so form atutu ska bebree go so form and when you agina you dey pain you dey pain ti say nese nipa na ware na wentimi ankom po a you get it wentimi anko what do you have to do I also wish them well like congrats a brother and a sister maybe a time when due to time you couldn't go the best thing to do and say over someone will say oh congratulations my brother congratulations my sister so I say na I kama oh nti say went me and yes enko fa camera and see so enko can video be a once you think say at least people are going to post so I'm going to get a hype like it's not needed yeah who here my mommy brought from the crib but like that it's not needed and who here saying the most important thing is say you wish them well then congratulate them then you pray for them you pray for their support because our area coin war it's not easy like it's not easy to get married because a whole life your whole life and see say nipa na ware na obọ mpae ata o machi na yahwedi nyame ebehira makodru so ati ase chachi palago bufu ipa no no tutubo mo otutubo ekwapem polo say onya isa concert no because ehun hia omo na di game ne buy say social media semba e be can be but same way ehun hia so we can be until the best thing and so be congratulate and then quick one Shatawale was say mom video no here pa the moment of resting man start to say flow I know that shatter the baby obi could be an oya like or two scale go come but enran real muna no start so chido chudo go for la me say security for and say mo bia ma closer anti mo bia ma closer na den nanka scan nango to ma hwan no to ma hwan say o to so to go di obi atimi se bi na den na to ma hwan say o to so mo yes mo bia ma hwan nti I know so na mo problem because I was all to scan go na yi nyina ide etimi se bi yeah e ko ye no ebi kra na yi mu bi mi keska na ye timi asese bi kama ati ase See, I think that you know you because say congratulations to Medifella 2020. A good game, a good moment. Say um almost set that um yeah, you would be taught say this relationship is not working because anytime you're there creating confusion, publicity stance, you break it up, you talk my way we on. So we thought this relationship not in and working, but nyame adom bibia working kama until they kind of say nyame nhyira mo. And nkofo bebree so say what is Sister Debbie thinking at the moment? And you say, what is Sister Debbie thinking at the moment? The thing is, are you okay? You get it? Say, a boyfriend na went me and worry na, and on you say, you can't say, wishing it bad, like, and on you say, obi dear one, I say, do over dream home be brave because, men and care worry me, or yeah, men and can say you, but at this point, and yeah, man is so. We should let it go like ade a ɛyɛ dia na ɛbɛba anya wo dia so ɛbɛkɔ nti sɛ nyame adom na sɛ akɔdi obi hɔ a ni kwan sɛ modwen bɔne ma sister Debbie sɛ na sister Debbie hyɛ dɛm na ɔsu na ɔde ho awerɛhɔ post no so posti na ade a posti na ade nyɛ medical ne fella nti na posti ne bibi posti ne video because feel sɛ ɔsɛ wɔn posti what you say we post video because of you say also on post picture and I also on post on our picture na wa post but enye aware na e koso ne ntina ma ne post mpacho matemase nti I think say guess why yeah bloggers ni bi a trade article be say na sister Debbie a say na sister Debbie a say I think say it's not needed ehun here aso ni mfa so sister Debbie e post bi na sɛ ɔno afeel sɛ no ɔmposti a ma ne mposti you get me sunsun bɛsɛ you get me right ɛno asɛ mehu sɛ sunsun no ɔwɔ live I think sɛ almost all the celebs na ɔmɔ Ghana no deɛ ɔmo kɔɛ with the exception of Shatawale sɛ akɔdeɛ a ɔne Shatawale anya asɛm na mahu no hɔ menim sɛ bi a Shatta nti na wankɔdeɛ a it's just by the way I'm just making fun nti sɛ ade na si a moma ne nkɔ you should let it go. My mon church article be and crazy issues be ma and ye seen no, it's not important. Oh, and you may be a young bloggers na you doable. You may be a me who here cry near because we want people to read, we want to get traffic, we want our site to get traffic. And you may be also yet the behind was in your traffic. Sometimes putting out the good news there, no, it's a value more what I say than to bring confusion and answer separation to people. Now we analysis okay basic so you just pen down something, you write something, you publish it, you think that people will come to your site to read. Now when you skaka says can say anything here I hear now be so when $1,000 from that post now can said the damage now costing is too much than $1,000 now. So at the same time, when we are writing and as we are posting, we should think about the emotional part and conformity to be able facing. We shouldn't just get up and come near a battery BB say and a sister Debbie. No, hell no. Me watch all her video now what I remember watch it. Minim say next Sunday movie brace so be quite sorry na. Ya cotton to me kama. Oh. See, bloggers know sometimes just you doable because you need traffic until we have to cause it. Near the issue set to for anything. And I don't think it's important. And see, that was the review I wanted us to discuss. See, next Sunday, sorry, so sorry, and so I now is Sabbath. To say them yes, Sabbath now. Sorry, and so good as. Sorry, so I'm patch wadaroma sorry so ko Friday so I mean sure. Nti deɛ mɛka ne sɛ ahwɛfoɔ yɛn nyinaa yɛmfa ɔdɔ ne mpaebɔ support Fella McCaffrey and Medi Fella 2020. Yeah, but I think I like the name Medi Fella 2020. Yɛmfa mpaebɔ ne ɔdɔ and support na bibia enye kama. Yeah, no, Oshe no diamond ring. That ring is very nice. Ring in the name, very nice. But I'll be posting some videos very soon into maybe I'll subscribe to the channel and I'm going to share videos and you post it and very soon I'll be posting a cheap alagone. You can say a crapping polo, yeah, a comment, and I think so no. On your okay with a comment, on your okay crying. I'll be posting now most who do kind they also EBR, so I just say. Ahana mde besi we Poleeno Multimedia. My name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Thanks for watching our videos every day. I mean sure I'm also my subscribe. Na mo boy chidom kama. I mean come bia de obi ye bia no in 2020 no. Ebe koye na nyame ehira no kama. The friend me Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Moon follow Instagram to see Amadaroma. Very important. Moon follow your Instagram. Madaroma Sisia Poleeno_com Poleeno_com com our Instagram and also you're posting your mapa like as a new video be any bit in that to YouTube. I say video be very short maybe I was set to a movie the funny part in a trap near that too so you also so no maybe a stress be an answer or be a bit me a like we post stuff there Poleeno_com our Instagram Poleeno_com people asking for medical it's traditional married one doesn't so okay yes nkɔfo akyerɛ mu ha ebi mu bisa sɛ medical ring no yes traditional wedding bɛrima nhyɛ ring. I don't really know much about it though, but I think there's a bɛrima nhyɛ wedding ring until say the white wedding na nkasa. I don't know much about it because young married and I mean yeah as we are here no we can be teaching ourselves the minimum can also the only no you can comment, you can share live chat na but as I said no maybe post a cheap alago any equipping polo back and forth I think then a cheap alago a live video and also post personal ones and a equipping polo a post be to maybe post YouTube as saying temperature madaroma me post na mo share my kama high Poleeno Multimedia yɛdum bɛsi ha sɛne bɛyɛ a mosom bɛnya adagye a yɛde mo yɛ mon share na mon subscribe bye bye.